Welcome to our video tutorial. In this video, we'll show you the new and improved ways to easily add additional fonts to your emails using KUNOMAIL. This feature has been redesigned and now offers even greater convenience and flexibility, perfect for anyone who wants to create truly personalized emails. When you compose a new email, the Magic Editor opens automatically. This allows you to format your message with colors, images, and, of course, different fonts. You'll find the font selection option in the top area of the editor. Clicking on the selection field will open a list of all available fonts. This list includes both the standard fonts provided by KUNOMAIL and any additional fonts you have added. Newly added fonts will appear automatically in this list and can be selected immediately without having to restart the program. This way, you can personalize your emails with the font that best suits your style. To manage custom fonts in KUNOMAIL, please go to the Settings, then click on the Magic Editor Fonts tab. Here, you will see an overview of all the additional fonts you have already added. To add more fonts, simply click the Select Fonts button. After clicking on Select Fonts, KUNOMAIL now offers you a new option. You can choose where the new fonts should come from. Two options are available. You can select a font from the popular online library of Google Fonts, or you can use a font that is already installed on your Windows system. Both methods achieve the same result. You decide which one suits your needs best. With Google Fonts, you have access to a wide selection of modern free fonts. With the Windows option, you use fonts that are already installed on your computer. In either case, the selected fonts are integrated directly into KUNOMAIL and are immediately available for use in the editor. If you choose Google Fonts, the fonts.google.com website will open automatically. Select the fonts you like and add them to your selection. Once you're finished, click the download icon in the upper right corner to download all the selected fonts as a zip file. Save this zip file to your computer, for example on your desktop, then return to KUNOMAIL and upload the zip file directly using the File dialog box. The best part? You don't need to unzip the file. KUNOMAIL will automatically recognize the fonts and import them for you. If you select the Windows option, a dialog box will open, displaying a list of all the fonts currently installed on your computer. This dialog shows the available fonts in a clear list, each with a small preview so you can see what the font looks like. Simply click to select the fonts you want to use in KUNOMAIL. You can select multiple fonts at once. After confirming your selection, the chosen fonts will be integrated directly into KUNOMAIL and will be available for use in the Magic Editor. After selecting your desired fonts, whether from Google Fonts or from Windows, you will automatically return to the KUNOMAIL settings. There, you will see the newly added fonts listed. To make these fonts usable in the Magic Editor, one final step is required. Please click the Save Settings button. Only then will the new fonts be permanently saved. Once you have done this, the selected fonts will be available to you when composing emails in the Magic Editor. Simply open a new email and select your preferred font from the list. Enjoy creating your emails with KUNOMAIL. Thank you for your attention. We hope you enjoyed this tutorial and found it helpful. If you have any questions or suggestions, please feel free to contact our KUNOMAIL support team. We welcome your feedback and wish you continued enjoyment with KUNOMAIL.